God dang, I look good. FaceTime may get a little extra, you hear me? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kyra Sean. Today's video is brought to you by OMGHerHair. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
It ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm worth more than you could manage. Manage, yeah. Oh, you and me, oh, we could be honest. Closer to me, oh, giving me silence. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, missing my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. 'Cause with me, no, you could do damage. You could do damage. You do damage. Yeah. Worry about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only get me if I let you. No, we ain't doing this just for pleasure. Either learn me or I'm a lesson. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I'm worth more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're falling for me. Oh, baby, I cry. Oh, we could be whatever you want, call it. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all like you could be. Telling me lies, making me cry, missing my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted. Yeah. 'Cause with me, no, you could do damage. You could do damage. You do damage. Oh, you could do damage. No, you could do damage. Oh, you could do damage.
Okay, y'all, this is looking this is looking good. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, like I said, this unit comes to us from OMGHerHair. It is their gorgeous bouncy curly 360 lace wig. It comes in a natural color, and the starting price for this unit is $219. Well, I know that's more on the expensive side for this starting price, but hold up, let me go ahead and tell you guys my specs really quick so you can know what the final price for my unit is, and then decide if you want to get this unit for yourself. Okay, let me tell you right now, I think you should get this joint. Okay, but let me just go ahead and tell you my specs. Okay, now depending on the specs you get for this unit, the price can go up. This unit comes in 14 to 24 inches, 150 or 180% density, slightly bleached or whole bleached knots across the front, and you can also add an elastic band if you want to make this unit more snug or glueless for you. Okay, so for my unit, I got the 18 inches, 180% density, a large cap, fully bleached knots, and the elastic band, and my unit is $289. I think this unit is worth every single penny. Okay, shop in your budget. You guys know I got a lot on my channel, okay, but this unit to me is gorgeous. Okay, like I said, this unit comes with 360 lace, so that's lace all the way around the unit. So if you want to do any type of upstyles with this unit, you definitely can. It also comes lightly plucked, so for my beginners, you don't got to go in and pluck anything if you don't want to. However, you guys know me, okay, I get pluck happy, so I did go in just a smidge and got my hairline together just a little bit. You know how I wanted it for me, and y'all, she's sitting. Okay, she is sitting. Now I will say I do have on my wig grip under this unit, and my hair is pretty flat under my cap. They said they sent me a large, however the large is still kind of short on my head, but you know the wig grip kind of takes a smidge of space, you know, out of your your units, but it is a little short on my sides here. Normally I like my lace to come right in front of my natural hairline just to give me, like, you know, the same look as my natural hairline, but the lace for this one is legit on my hairline, which I don't really like all the time. So probably if I wear this unit again, I'll probably just spray it around this area right here and do my little trick where I fold the sides up and bring my edges out to kind of, you know, swoop it that way, just to, you know, give my edges edges a break because OMG, I don't want to be snatching out my edges, okay? I don't want to be snatching out my edges. The unit already comes in this curl. I didn't put not near curl in my unit, okay? Because they already come juicy and ready to serve, okay? These curls are gorgeous in my opinion, y'all. I feel like it's been a while that I've been hyped for a human hair unit, and y'all, I am hype about this joint. Am I sizing it? Am I sizing it? Maybe a little bit, okay? But I'm real hype about it, okay? I'm real hype about it, y'all, because it looks really, really good. Like I said, I got the 18 inches and initially I wanted the 16 inch just because I wanted to be a little bit more, you know, frugal with my coins. But they kind of talked me into the 18 inch and I was like, you know, okay, fine, I'll try it. Thank you, OMGHerHair, for talking me into this joint because the 18 inch is perfect, okay? Perfect for me. But any length you get in this unit because of the curl, because they're so pretty, I think will be banging, okay? But I'm really liking how the 18 inches sitting on me. Now, before you ask, I did not go in and wash my unit. It didn't come with a chemical smell. And honestly, I was a little bit scared to wash the unit because I didn't want the curls to kind of drop because I initially thought they wand curled the unit. However, as you saw in the put down, when I went in and just kind of wrapped my finger around the curl with no product, it was dry. I just wrapped my finger around the curl came right back. So I'm pretty sure if you wash this unit, the curls will pretty much stay intact if you go in and, you know, finger curl them or whatever and get them back like this. The curls are definitely bouncy. It's giving me a whole look. Let me turn to the side so you guys can see that joint. Okay, this is how she's looking to the side, and then this is how she is looking to the back. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, I ain't gonna hold you. Okay, I ain't gonna hold you. I feel real pretty. I feel real pretty with this unit on, y'all. My makeup looks good. I got my little Walmart sweater on. I feel real good. I feel real good, y'all. The 180 on me is perfect, okay? It is perfect. I'm feeling this joint. Let me come up close so you guys can see that hairline. Now the lace that comes with this unit is more of like a brown color. So I was kind of worried that it wouldn't blend down to my hairline, but I still went in like I normally do with my normal, you know, products to get my hairline together. And I feel like it looked really good. As far as shedding wise, I'm getting like 1 or 2 pieces here and there, but that's mainly in the front. So I'm pretty sure that's just residual from me going in and plucking through my unit. As far as the back is concerned, let me pull. I am getting a couple pieces there too. Okay, so, okay, so some light shedding. So if you go and wash this unit, you may get some shedding with this unit. Ooh, child. I'm here for this. I love it. I love it. God dang, I look good. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Date night is coming up with me and Ken, so I'm about to, ooh, wait. FaceTime might get a little extra. You hear me? But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to OMGHerHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below so you guys want to check it out. You can. If there's a coupon for this unit, I will definitely put it down below so you guys can save some coin on your order. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.